Want to unlock the power of your Bigquery data with visually stunning reports, but feel intimidated by complex tools? Let's dive into creating a super simple Looker Studio report using your Bigquery data. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have a Bigquery project set up with some data. Head over to Looker Studio and click the Create button. Then select Report to start a new report. Now, you need to connect to your data, and since we're using Bigquery, choose Bigquery from the list of available data sources. Select your Bigquery project and then choose the specific dataset and table you want to visualize. Make sure you pick the right one. Looker Studio will automatically create a basic table showing your data. That was easy. You can now drag and drop the dimensions and metrics from the right pane to customize this table. To spice things up, change the chart type. Click on the table, then choose a different visualization from the chart options, like a bar chart, pie chart, or time series chart. Experiment and find what best shows your data. Finally, give your report a clear title by clicking where it says Untitled Report and typing in a descriptive name, and that's it. A simple report made from Bigquery data.